See signs that your boyfriend is about to dump you. See signs that he's tired of you, but he doesn't know how to tell you. One of the ways to find out is if he starts avoiding conflicts. If he starts to avoid conflict, let's say there's an issue on ground, instead of him to say let's fix it, how do we resolve this, he keeps quiet. He goes silent. He started being indifferent when it comes to resolving problems. You see, one of the characteristics of any guy is that guys are wired to solve problems. So when your guy starts avoiding issues, stops putting interest in solving the conflict that both of you are having, just know that he's getting tired of you, or he's already tired, or is having this thought of leaving you. Is about to go down. It's about to dump you. So whenever he start avoiding conflict, he start avoiding solving issues, it's a sign. Number 2 sign to watch out for is when there is a decline in his commitment. When his commitment towards you or things that concerns you begins to drop, just know that he's gradually nursing the thought of dumping you. How do you know if his commitment start to fail? Let's say, for example, he normally calls you twice daily. That is his normal. And then all of a sudden, he goes 1 week without calling you. This guy that calls you twice every day, maybe morning and evening, or any time of the day. Then all of a sudden, he goes 1 week, 2 weeks, doesn't call you. Or maybe there is normally every weekend, both of you normally see or go out. Then people have stayed for like 3 months, no outing, nothing. His commitment started to drop. There's something he normally do for you often, it's normal for him. Then all of a sudden he stopped doing it. That's a big sign that it's about to dump you. The third thing to watch out for, and to say this guy's about to dump me, is when his level of intimacy begins to drop. If maybe when the guy meets you before, he hugs you, he pegs you, or he kisses you, and then all of a sudden he doesn't even hug you when he sees you, nor kiss you, nor peg you. His intimate level with you started dropping. Just know that something is going on. Yes, when intimacy decreases. I don't know what you guys call intimacy, but if it's this me, I love physical touch, and if I'm with you, then all of a sudden I don't ask you for hugs, I don't touch you, I don't hold you. Just know that something is going wrong, something is happening, because I love to hug. So if me that love hugs stop hugging you, there's a problem. So I don't know your partner's love language or whatever, but once you notice that intimacy is decreasing, something is wrong. The fourth sign to notice to see that your boyfriend is about to dump you is when his interest in you start to drop. Whenever a guy interest in you begins to drop, you yourself will notice that his interest, maybe he stops talking about the future with you. He stops carrying your matter for head the way he used to carry it. Just know that he's tired of you. You don't even need him to tell you he's tired of you. All right. And then the last but not the least sign to watch out for is when there is a collapse in communication. Whenever a guy is about to dump you, he starts reducing the way he communicates with you. His communication with you decreases instantly. You will know. If both of you normally talk every day, there's no single day both of you will not talk, either physical or on phone or chatting. Then all of a sudden he doesn't even chat to you again. He doesn't call you the way he used to. And then when people see just you're fine, you just go. That intimacy in communication is dropped. That longevity of communication, that gist, that gossip is no longer there. Just know that it's about to go. All right, I hope these signs actually helps you to pinpoint those players, those people that really wants to play with your feelings. They just want to, those people that were lusting after you and they thought they love you. That's why they say, I love you from the first time I met you. They lie. Nobody loves immediately. You can like someone immediately. So I hope this signs helps you.